Tell me, Your Excellency, would it be acceptable to you if England is placed under German rule?
Of course not. Not to me or to any other Englishman worth their salt.
I am a proud Muslim. Why should I live under Hindu rule?
Hardly compares, and you know it. Let's be honest with each other, Mr. Jinnah. Britain and Germany are entirely different nations.
So are Hindus and Muslims. We have nothing in common. Our history, heroes, art, architecture. Take, for example, the eternal question of the cow. We eat what they worship.